In this video, question number 24 of GATE 2018 of Civil Engineering is discussed. So the question is, setting of cement is determined by. So there are four options: Lee-Chatelier apparatus, briquette testing apparatus, Vicard apparatus, and Casagrande apparatus. Now we'll go through one by one option. There is the first option, Lee-Chatelier apparatus. So if you have to measure soundness of cement, then we usually go with the Lee-Chatelier apparatus. Now this is according to us 4031 of part 3 1988 diagram for this Lee-Chatelier apparatus. Then second option is the briquette testing apparatus. Now this is related to bitumen to find out the ductility, now which is an indicator to measure the extension or stretchability of bitumen under particular standard conditions. So in this case, a small briquette of bitumen given dimension at standard test condition is pulled in a particular apparatus at a standard rate of speed until the thread of bitumen breaks, and the length of the pull measured in centimeter is designated as ductility of the bitumen sample under the test. So this is regarding the briquette testing apparatus. Then the third one, that is Casagrande apparatus. Now it is used to measure liquid limit test. It is according to IS 2720 part 5 1985. This is the figure for Casagrande apparatus. The remaining option, now if we go through the question again, the setting time of cement or the setting of cement is determined by. Now here the question setter wish to know whether student knows the different apparatus used in civil engineering. So student has to go through all the options and he has to select the correct option. So the question is easy, just he has to mark a proper option. Now we already seen the three options, option number A, B and D. We have seen the different apparatus and the use of it. And the last one, that is the to find out initial and final setting time. This again IS 4031 part 5 of 1988. Now if we just go through the initial setting time, it is the time required between the time when water is added to the cement and time at which 1 mm square section needle of this Vicard apparatus fails to penetrate the cement paste, which is placed in the Vicard's mold 5 mm to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold, while final setting time is that time period between the time where water is added to the cement and the time at which 1 mm needle makes an impression on the paste in the mold, but 5 mm attachment does not make any impression. Now if we see the picture of it, so this will look like this, where we have Vicard's mold and we have to measure initial setting time and final setting time with this apparatus. So setting time is measured or determined by Vicard's apparatus. So option number C is applicable in our case. The other three apparatus has different use in the civil engineering, and accordingly student should mark a proper answer. He may get confused between Vicard's and Lee-Chatelier. So Lee Chateliers, it is for soundness, while Vicart apparatus, it is for initial, to measure the initial and final setting time of a cement. And the testing procedures are given in IS 4031 part 5.